Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to solve a network error in Capcut PC. So usually you experience this because of some reasons, for example, problems unique to Capcut. Occasionally a problem might be with the Capcut problem itself. This can be an issue with the program that keeps it from connecting to the internet reliably. Also, outdated version of the application, the no internet connection error message could potentially be brought by an outdated version of the CapCut, or most probably because of the internet connection. So, how are you going to fix this? So, the first thing you should do is you have to go to your settings and look for VPN. This time, we're going to add a VPN and we're going to use this VPN. So, click open right here. And then after that, click add VPN. So connection, what you're going to do is you can just simply name whatever you want. For example, my VPN. And then for server, you have to look for VPN gate. Click the very first link that appears here, tap this one. And then after that, you have to look for that address. There are tons of address here. So you just have to click or select one. Let's just say you're going to use this server here. So you have to simply select, right click, copy, or Control C. Go back to VPN. Paste it in the server address. For VPN, you have to look for SSTP. And then here for username and password, you have to go back and then you will see that VPN password and username here. So scroll down. So this is the username and VPN. You just have to copy or type VPN for username. Same goes with the password. It's VPN and then save. And what you're going to do next is you just have to click connect. You have to connect it. And once you connect that to VPN, you can now try to export your CapCut and see if it fixed the problem. So basically, this is how you fix a problem whenever you encounter this network error here in CapCut PC. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next videos.